because how could I not do this unboxing with you guys? Oh my god. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see here, I have this amazing box behind me and I can't wait to literally share it with you guys. So as I said, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite fashion enthusiast, K Deluxe. I'm such a video with you guys this week on another week's video. So if you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. My channel is all about sustainable fashion, luxury, lifestyle and travel. And go ahead and comment in the comment section, show your love, whatever, your dislikes, let me know your opinion. I love to read the comments. I enjoy reading the comments. And show like, you share my video to your friends and loved ones. In fact, share it to the world. And yeah, let's get straight into it. So let me give you a backstory as to how I come across this baby. So me and my man we went the Royal Windsor race horse. Like I really wanted to go to see the horse races. As you don't know, some of you may know that I am into equestrian and I really love horses and I do ride myself, and I really wanted to go there. And the plan was that we're gonna place a few, you know, I don't know if I could say this word, bet. I'm not like endorsing any form of doing that. I'm not endorsing this on my channel. My channel is not about that. But we placed a few and we selected a few horses. And the plan was, if I win, that I would choose whatever designer that I want to go to and he's gonna give me amazing bag. So I did one. Thanks, babe. And I chose a Louis Vuitton, and I wanted to do this unboxing with you guys / review. So now with this, 1 minute. And so as I was saying, this is the Alma BB. Is it called Alma BB from Louis Vuitton? One of the most classic sought out after bag that is literally always sold out. So here is me like in the shops here browsing to see what I like, and the sales clerk even informed me that this bag is so like sought out after and always sold out, literally always sold out every time. And the color that I chose as well is one of the color that I absolutely wanted and loved, and she's here with me and I'm so thrilled. Yeah, my Louis Vuitton for my man. So yeah, do an unboxing / a review, and I'm gonna tell you exactly what I think about this bag. So yeah, packaging, I actually really do love the packaging. Love, stunning. Oh. How do you open? I don't know. How do you open it? Did they also give a guide as to how to open this? Like, I do not know how to open this. How do you? They should not give me a guide how to open it. I'm struggling, guys. Oh my god. What is that? Ah, there it is. Here she is. I was eyeing this bag literally for the longest. It's one of my favorite bags from Louis Vuitton. So here she is. Oh my god, I was so in love. Like, they had a few gemstones, not a few but a lot of gemstones. I'm gonna show you somewhere on the screen, but I end up choosing this gemstone here, and because I thought that it goes really well with the bag. I really love that type of the colors. It's very pinky blushy, giving off very feminine type of vibes that I absolutely love and adore. Really love the color. Like, gives like, I don't know if it's like pink or tone nude or beige type of color, but I absolutely love and adore. Like, Now with this bag, it do comes with this strap, and also it comes like with the zip line is from one edge all the way over to the other. So to me, it's going to really, the bag would open up really nicely and widely. For me, the size is absolutely perfect. It can store enough for me, my wallet, sunglasses and keys with lip gloss, or just lip gloss, sunglasses and keys. The size is absolutely perfect. It's really lightweight. Love the fact that when bags have stud in the bottom of it, it actually protects the leather of the bag. I wasn't too certain. I know that Louis Vuitton use leather. I wasn't too sure as to what type of leather they use. I believe they use calf leather, if not lamb's leather, if not genuine. It's a form of leather. A form of leather to create this masterpiece, this beautiful bag. I really love. Now Chanel is my absolute favorite. I didn't think or believe that I would love Louis Vuitton that much, this much. Like, I adore this. I am so thrilled and happy with my purchase. You have absolutely no clue. So now it do comes as a crossed body bag. So this is like the inside of the bag with the zip open all the way out. Really love that. Comes with the belt, and also the, you know, their chain and with their look. Love that added red there, that blood wine red type of look. Like, it's really nice. Like, it really highlights the colors, the other colors more. And in the bag, of course, it comes with, people say that this is like a card holder or wallet holder. For me, I actually store my lip gloss in there and coins and keys. So I'm not too sure if I'm going to be putting my cards in the bag just like that. I don't feel safe with that. I prefer have a wallet and put my cards inside the wallet. And here I get this dust bag, Louis Vuitton. I'm not too sure what's in there, so we're gonna open that up together. Oh, they give me an extra padlock. So I believe, so a padlock without a key. Did he give me a padlock without a key? So initially I could lock a padlock without a key, guys. Can you imagine this? A padlock with other keys. So now I have to go back in stores and query that, because if that is the case in locking the bag, right? And putting the zip together to lock the bag, I supposed to have a key and I don't have the key. It's very heavy. It's really heavy type padlock. Now in terms of wear and tear with Louis Vuitton, I haven't heard much people complain about their bag in terms of like bringing it back for repairs and everything. The stitching, I really love the stitching. You know, like, I really love my handbag. To me, I don't think anybody will be stopping buying designer bags anytime soon, even if with the whole uproar now on the wall on TikTok with where they get their bags, who they buy their bags from, why people selling their bags, why influencers are selling their bags. They probably want you to think that they're selling their bags. Probably some sell their bags, but that don't mean that they stop going into the designer stores to get the bags, honey. Let me tell you that. It's a perception that they want you to believe, so you buy the idea and the story of whatever they're trying to portray. But don't let them lie to ya. Don't let them lie to ya. Over this channel is always authenticity. Okay? Because who doesn't like a bit of what's right? Anyways, don't mind me. I'm such a clown. But I really love my bag. I really do. I really love my purchase. Like, this is the bag added to the rest of the collection. Like, yeah, and I would update you guys on my most favorite and my least favorite, but for now I need to enjoy the wear and tear of my bag and let you know if has it worth the money. But I really love the gemstones. Like, they are my favorite touch to the bag. I chose this amongst the others because the others was really rubbish. So yeah, and of course it comes with the dust bag, so Louis Vuitton. So Yes, guys. I really love my budgets. I enjoy my budget so much, you have no clue. But anyways, thank you for sticking along for so long if you have. And I promise you guys, when I do get to 1K, I will be doing a giveaway. Because I did try those giveaways before, and you guys, which is, I don't know, y'all was really messing it up. Like, y'all was not replying to my emails, my messages. Like, what's going on? But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys on another week's video. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching all the way to the end. If you have your real OG, and I love you, I appreciate you so much. Okay, so until next time, is your favorite fashion enthusiast, luxury addict, and your favorite travel blogger, the whole lot. Bye.